Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and we are back with the 2000 Springer 88 cubic inch, second year of the twin cam, and this bike is modded out to the moon. It has a, as you can see, S&S Super carb with this little doodad right there. The choke. It's a sweet bike. It's got an insane amount of modifications on it. Let's and of course it is the Springer, which is a rare bike. Let's take this thing for a spin. Yeah. Alright, so this bike is extremely heavily modified. Let's start today with the words of wisdom, Romans 8:28, and we know that all things work for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Now guys, I made a video with this bike about last week, and I made a lot of mistakes on that video. And you know what? A couple things. I'm not that concerned if I don't know the year of the bike. That's not a big mistake for me. But when that got messed up, when I thought this was a different motor, I thought this bike had an Evo engine, and this is the second year of the twin cam. That's a big mistake. I deleted that whole video. I was getting views, I was getting a lot of hate on it, and you know what? I understand. I understand why people were really hating on it. I think I need to take this thing off. There we go. All right. So, let me get my, I took some time. I got my facts straight. And then we're going to do a test drive video again. So this bike has been extremely heavily modified. I just want to say right now, I normally don't recommend. Okay, here we go. If you're modifying a bike this much, let's just make it clear, you are modifying that bike not for resale. You're modifying that bike for you. That's all for you. So don't get bummed out when you go and try to sell it and you think, oh, I got $30,000 in the bike, not including buying it, just in parts and labor, and be bummed out that you can only ask maybe a couple bucks more than other people, and sometimes less than other people, just because maybe they weren't going to do those mods. Maybe they wanted to do their own mods. But the cool thing about this is, as a buyer, for yourself, as a buyer, to buy something like this, you can get an insane value. So if you were looking to buy a heavily modified, if you're looking to modify your Springer to look anything close to this, you're going to save a lot of money. It's a sweet bike. I never see Springers. I mean, I've only ever had two. No, I've only ever had one. The one was actually it was Tim's bike that he was selling, kind of selling like on consignment for us. This thing. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see more content. And as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.